How do you make money when you can't even leave your house? If you've ever had to say no to work because someone you love needed you, or you wished for a flexible way to earn that actually pays daily, or maybe you felt stuck between responsibility and survival, you're not lazy, you're overloaded. That's why I joined the Legacy Builder Blueprint, as it caters for people like us. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's the exact system that I used to go from stressed out caregiver to a consistent earner. You don't need more pressure. You need a system that fits around your life and not the other way around. If you're interested, comment the word legacy or DM or email me or visit my website and I will send you all the details you will need to get started today.